Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great to the glory of the Lord. Yes, I know you're doing fine. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys the kind of mask that you'll be using at home that will make your face look glow and remove those dark patches and those dullness on your face. Maybe you see your face looking dull, maybe darker than your body. Sometimes it's not your fault, it's not the cream you use. Sometimes people are like that. Your face from your neck would be darker than your whole body. So today I'm going to be showing you one mask that I've been trying, two masks that I've been trying that is very good. When I tried this mask, I said no, I have to share it with my people out there. So I'm going to be bringing different type of mask that you don't need to go and buy anything. Things that you are using in your house, in your kitchen, is what you will use. I will be bringing them here. Be expecting it. Be expecting inspirational talk here. Be expecting my music here. Be expecting a lot of good things here. Sometimes I can vlog. Sometimes I can do anything I know is good and put in this channel. Okay, this is a channel that you come and you will not see one video, you will see a lot of things. Okay, you are welcome. If you've not listened to my music before, go down below my YouTube channel. You will see some of my music there. I will still be uploading some, but some are there. Thank you. Let's start. Number one is toothpaste. Toothpaste with Vaseline, which they call it petroleum jelly. So these two combination, when my friend first sent it to me last 2 years, I said, since I've been using it, it's so good to me, I said I will share it with you. So let's do the first one. I'm not going to be taking your time, guys. So we start with toothpaste. You have your plate and your spoon. You take your plate, you take your toothpaste, the white one, I add it to it. If you have a lot of impurity on your face, looking younger than your age is so beautiful. You know, not that we don't want to old, but we want to old, but not that you will be 40. You say you look 50. You can see God has given us that wisdom to take care of ourselves. Okay, so this is the petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline. We are going to be adding this half spoon. I will screw it like this. I will add it to it. You know it's very thick. So after adding it to it, I have to mix them together. Sorry if you're hearing noise. My soldiers and my princess are in the house. So you see, it will be like this. After you finish mixing it, the next thing you're going to be doing is to add it all over your face. So like now, I've washed my hand. So I prefer to use my hand. You can prefer to use whatever you want to use. I just screw it like this. You rub it all over like this. This one you don't need to. I will bring a lot of scrub and a lot of natural and good stuff that you will use at home. We don't need to buy costly things when good things are in our kitchen to use. Good things are in our kitchen, guys. Good ones. Be careful with your eyes. You know, like normally, you know that toothpaste have like menthol in it. You will feel it in your face, but no worries. Okay, so now I have to clean my hands. So now I've cleaned my hand. You see, we're going to be letting this to stay for 15 minutes, or sometimes if I'm not going anywhere, I just leave it there. Sometimes you spend almost 30 minutes on my face, guys, and you don't escape your your lips, you have to rub on it too. Okay, so because 15 minutes is very big, we don't want to waste our time. I know I can pause it and watch the face and start again, but I just want to do the experiment once so that we can just put all together. So the second one is, guess what, guys? Guess something you drink every day. Coffee. Coffee, guys. Oh my God. If you have not been using coffee on your face, what are you waiting for? Coffee is very good for your face. Make your face to be strong. Make your face look glow. Make your, all those, if you're having strong pimples on your face, use this coffee. If you don't have coffee, there is another face mask that I will be bringing for strong pimples. Guys, when you start using this coffee, you're gonna testify, guys. You're gonna testify. It's very good. So let's start. You open the coffee. You see the coffee with the same plate. I'm going to be scooping like 2 spoons of this. You take the coffee aside. The coffee you drink at home. The coffee you drink at home. So you don't need to go and be spending your money on costly things that will not even bring results for you. Rather, all this will bring perfect results. And sorry, it's not overnight results. It's not when you sleep and just wake up, you find results. No. But when you are using it gradually, you will see. Come for your testimonial. So the next one is honey. Guys, honey. Honey is very good for your face. So, as I told you guys, I use this kind of honey. But you can decide to use the other honey. It's still the same. But it depends. But I love to use this. You see the color inside? I love to use it. You can use spoon to take it. But I just want you to see. I pour it in there. So, it's okay this way. Now, you just take your spoon and mix it together. When you are mixing it, I have to put the milk in this cup. It's milk. You take a little bit of milk and add to it. Milk is very good for face. Milk make you look glowing and younger. You'll be looking beautiful and you will look younger. And all those your wrinkle, you know that there are premature wrinkle. When you're not taking care of yourself very properly, premature wrinkle can just come easily. And those natural things are in the house. No, me, I'm happy to be old though. I want to be old. But it's not good when you're 50, when you're 25 years. They will say, she look like 50 years. It's not because of it's your nature. No, it's just that you just neglect those natural things. So I am not ready to wash this one out now. But let me just use this to show you an example. You can decide to wash it up and put this. Normally, you cannot put these two together. You have to wash your face and put the other one. But because I'm doing the practical today, I'm going to show you too the way I rub it on my face. I'm just going to rub it on top of this. You rub it one side like this. You rub it on your face like this. The way I'm rubbing it now, that is the way you will rub it all over your face. After you finish rubbing it, you wash it away with water. I'm just doing it as if now maybe nothing is down there. So that is the way I normally do it. You understand? You leave it for like 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you rest it up. That is it, guys. So now I'm going to be washing it. Let me show you the final results. So guys, I'm through washing my face. So the next one I'm going to be showing you, this is just a gift that I add to it. That is very good when you're finished. Sometimes you just use it. It's your banana peel. Stop throwing away your banana peel. You just take it After removing your banana, you use it. After using it to rub your face like that, you use it to like massage your face all through. When you use it to massage your face all through, leave it for 15 minutes, wipe it up, and you are good to go. Rub your cream. You can be doing this maybe 3 times a month or once in a week. It's good to do your facial mask. Once in a week is very good. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Like, press the notification bell so that you will be the first to know anytime I upload. Bye bye. I love you all. Take care of yourself. You that is praying for me, I love you all. You that is sharing, liking, I love you all. Thank you all. Bye bye. Ciao.